For this Teach It video, I'm going to be working problem number 10 from section 9.3a. It says, assume Carmen Smith, a basketball player, makes free throws with 80% probability of success and is placed in a 1-on-1 situation where she is given a second foul shot if and only if the first shot goes through the basket. If you assume successive shots are independent, simulate the 25 attempts from the foul line in 1-on-1 situations to determine how many times we would expect Carmen to score 0 points, 1 point, and 2 points. So I'm going to draw like a little diagram here to show like the percentage of making and missing. So this line is going to be she makes it, and then this line will be missed. And since it's 80% chance, it would be an 8 out of 10 that she makes it. And then off of that, we're going to branch off again because she would get another shot if she made the first one. So then let's say she makes it again. That would be another 8 out of 10. And if she misses, then that would be 2 out of 10 because 80%, take that away from 100% is 20%. So 2 out of 10. So down here, it would be 2 out of 10. And you see that they're the same because they are independent. So if she makes this one, that doesn't mean she's going to make this one. So that's why it's also 8 out of 10 for that. So for the first one, it's about 64% that she gets 2 points. So that would be, if you take 0.64 times 25, that'll equal about 16 shots. And then if she makes the first one and misses the second one, so that would be about 16% and for making a 1 point, making at least 1 point. So that would be 0.16 times 25, and that'll equal 4. And so that'd be 4 shots. And now this one would be 20%. Because it's 20% if she just misses it right away. Then you would take 0.20 times 25, and that'll equal 5 shots for 0 points. Okay, so after we have this figured out, these are the numbers that we're gonna look back on. Now, at the very top, I've written some random digits. So now, to find it, since it's about an 80% chance that she makes it, we're gonna use 0 to 7 means that she made it, and then if it's 8 to 9, it's a miss. Okay, and since it's 2 shots and they're independent, we're gonna go by 2s, but we're gonna start with and since 1 is between 0 and 7, she made it, so then she gets the other shot, and she made that one. So she made both of those. This one is a miss because she didn't make it. And so then let's say she got to the line again. It was a 7. She made that. And then she made the next one. So that's another 2 point. Then she made this one, and she made this one. She made this one and this one. She didn't make this one. 6, and we're basically counting it out until her 25 attempts are over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So let's count them again quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and then 25. So as you can see, we've counted out the 25 shots that she would have taken. And then ones that would have 2 points, there would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So she made, out of the 25 attempts, she made about 17 points out of them. Now for 2 points. So now for 1, that didn't happen till towards over here where there's 1, 2, and 3. So that happened 3 times. So she got 3 points from those attempts for the 1 point. And then for no attempts, she missed the first one, so she doesn't get another try, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be 5 points for the, or no, it'd be 5 attempts that weren't points, sorry. 5 attempts for 0 points. There we go. So looking at the data we have over here, for 2 points, we said 16, and this one was 17. So that one was pretty close. Then for the 1 point, we said 4, and this one was 3. So that was good. And then for the 0, we said 5, and this one was 5. So these are the same, and we were only off by 1. So out of the 25 attempts, she would have made at most 17 or at least 16, at most 14 or at most 4, at least 3, and then, or she could have missed 5.